and the market testing of the new Fed will be behind us. So I think, and then of course, there's already been a leverage unwind. So I think 2027 could be one of the best years for the stock.
Hey, you guys, welcome to the channel. Just thought I'd show you a quick portfolio update so far. Fortunately, you guys, right now I'm still in some some margin debt, roughly $6,000, and then I'm gonna have a rent come out, so I'll be over $7,000 worth of margin debt. So I'm still struggling trying to pay my margin debt down. Every time every time I got momentum, there's always a bill. There's always something trying to knock me down, you guys. It is just frustrating. This margin debt to me particularly should be at least 3,000 by now, but it is what it is, man. I can't just dwell over it. I got to keep working, and maybe I got to cut some extra spending out of my life. But that's just it, you guys. Of course, today the market went up. We had a nice little run up today in the market. Portfolio is still sitting at 265,000. Again, I don't know if I will hit my goal for the end of the year. I wish I could, you guys, but there's just gosh, it sucks, man. Like, I want to be disciplined. I don't want to just jump into option selling and just to hurry up and pay down this margin. Because yeah, I can collect premium, pay down this margin, but then I got to monitor these trades even while I'm at work. So I want to be safe. I want to be disciplined about it. Now, if I do see a safe options trade, then you know what? I might just take it, you guys. I really hate financial friction. And this is why I started building on my income portfolio. But I do know option selling can mean a source of fighting off financial friction, you guys. You're just going to have to monitor that trade. But still, at the end of the day, it's trading. It's trading. So. But going back to here, you guys, let's look at Tom Lee. Going back to here, in Tom Lee, looks like he has some good, interesting information for us in regards to another possible bull market.
7,800. Yeah, for the S&P.
Is that forecast for the 10% drawdown still intact?
Yes.
It is?
Yeah, so
can't you take that off the table? Just will you do it for me? Say it doesn't have to. No, kidding. So we get the 7,800, maybe a 10% drawdown, and then close the year above 8,000.
Yes. Yeah, I think because as we start to look at 2027, there's a lot of the clouds that are heading this year kind of lift. You know, the SpaceX unlock will be behind us, and the market testing of the new Fed will be behind us. So I think, and then of course, there's already been a leverage unwind. So I think 2027 could be one of the best years for the stock.
And you think part of the positive sentiment this month is
2027. Well, I'm hoping for a strong bull run, as Tom Lee pretty much equated to. But let's just say he's wrong. You know, he's not always right. But if we have a downward market and we're not over leveraged and we're disciplined with our investing, especially margin investors like ourselves, this actually gives us a much stronger opportunity, because then, you guys, on a downward market, we have much stronger exposure, being able to front load our assets, front load our money by using debt. And then when the market goes back up, we're essentially just going to crush the S&P 500. Our ROI is going to succeed that of maybe even a 12% rate of return, you know? So I don't mind a downward market. Granted, I would have loved to meet my goal for this year of 300K, but it just doesn't seem like it's going that way. But I'm just going to stay positive. You know, I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. I'm going to stay disciplined. I'm going to make sure I set a set of rules for myself when it comes to using margin debt. Everyone needs a set of rules for themselves. They need to cap themselves and say, hey, I will not go above this amount when it comes to being leveraged. Okay. Other than that, you guys, I hope all of us continue to stay disciplined, and I hope all of us will succeed in our wealth building journey. If you guys found any value in this video, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.